Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. This is my Labor Day picnic. Here I have Southern style fried chicken using my chicken style seitan recipe and another one of those bones that upsets everybody made out of wood. This is a copycat of Kentucky Fried Chicken's 11 Secret Herbs and Spices breading. And I just coated the chicken, the seitan, with, I dredged it in the seasoned flour. I mixed up some vegan egg, dipped it in that, dredged it in flour, dipped it in the egg again, and then dipped it in the flour and fried it till it was golden. And I will take a taste. It smells really good. The spices smell so nice. Mmm. Mmm. Doesn't it look nice inside? It's cold. But it's good hot or cold. It's often very popular to take cold fried chicken on a picnic. So that's what that is. Here's the obligatory corn on the cob with a nice fancy treatment on the end. Basically what you do for this, you get your corn with the husk still attached. You wrap the whole thing in aluminum foil, bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes, unwrap it, and when it's cool enough to handle, you pull back the husks, remove the silks, then you peel one of the husks off, gather them all up and tie it in a knot, and then trim the ends. And it comes out kind of neat. It's like a big old handle. This corn I then seared in a dry pan, and when it was all done all over, I buttered it and salted it. Ooh. Corn is especially good, all toasted up golden like this. Okay, so over here, we have classic potato salad. I used red skin potatoes. You always want to use a waxy potato, a boiling potato, for potato salad. Boiled them whole in their skins for 25 minutes. Drain them and let them cool till they were cool enough to handle. Basically, the skins just kind of started to peel off on their own once it was cool. So I removed the skins, chopped them up. I like to use firm or extra firm silken tofu, the kind that comes in the aseptic package. When you chop that up, it's just like egg white, because usually potato salads have boiled egg in them. So I chopped it up in fairly large cubes because I knew that once I mixed everything together in the salad, the little tofu bits would break down a little bit. So it's got the potatoes, the tofu, you chop some pickles, you chop some celery, slice some green onion, then you add some Veganized or whatever your favorite vegan mayonnaise is, some red wine vinegar, some mustard, and I used a little bit of Namac black salt to mimic the eggy flavor. I already know this is good because I tasted it for seasoning. Really. The tofu and the black salt, it make it taste just like there's egg in there. Really nice. Some people put a little sweetener in there. I didn't. It's optional on the recipe. Here's the classic 3-bean salad. My grandma used to make this all the time. It's super easy. It's all canned beans. Canned green beans, canned wax or yellow. Those are the yellow that look like green beans. I don't know if anybody does anything else with wax beans except make 3-bean salad with them. Kidney beans, some sliced onions, and pimento peppers from a jar. And the dressing is sweetened vinegar, oil and vinegar with a little bit of sugar, salt and pepper to taste. This was never my favorite when I was little. I didn't like sweet and vinegar together, but I've gotten used to it now. And it's good. But you can make it to suit your own palate. And of course, watermelon is an American tradition at picnics. I just made slices this time. It's really good watermelon. So yeah, Labor Day picnic feast. I won't be able to finish it all. But it brings back happy memories. Just a few memories, because my grandfather, my pa, he outlived my grandma by only 4 years. And after she died, he was on his own. And I was often the only one with Labor Day off, and I would go up to see him. And the movie Picnic with William Holden and Kim Novak was one of his favorite movies, and it was mine too, and I had it on video cassette, so I would bring that up on Labor Day, and we would watch that, and then I would cook him something nice. It was nice to spend that time with my pa, doing something he enjoyed. Anyway, all of the recipes will be on my blog. I will link it in the description, along with the previous video. Thank you, as always, especially on Labor Day, if you've got the day off, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks for visiting my community tab. And I will see you later, guys. I'll have another bite of this for the road. That's really good. See you later, guys.